Hey folks, Adam here from 911 Studios, and today we're going to be talking about Tineco's wet and dry vacuum. And I'm going to give you 5 reasons that you need to check out Tineco vacuums and wet and dry in general. First off, the fact that they are cordless. No wires. The battery power on these things is absolutely fantastic. Literally like 100 minutes of runtime on a single charge. These things are amazing. And let's face it, if you're vacuuming for more than an hour and a half, you probably need to sit down and relax anyway. I don't know anyone who needs to be vacuuming for an hour and a half. Usually after 10 minutes, I'm done vacuuming anyway. So amazing there. These vacuums come with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. If anything goes wrong with them, even if you're picking up a refurbished model, Amazon has your back for 30 plus days. And around the holidays, they extend that even longer. Plus, they have self-cleaning brushes. That's right, self-cleaning brushes, which means you're not in there scraping all the cat and dog hair. These things are amazing. Next up, a great reason to pick one of these up is they are great with cat and dog hair. So if you've got a pet, like I do, my old Janetti Spaghetti, well, guess what? It's picking up her hair and it's getting the house clean in just seconds. And again, without having that cord, you're able to get all around the house, all the nooks and crannies, the stairs, without having to unplug every couple minutes and plug into a new socket. That takes forever. It's frustrating. These things are absolutely amazing. Next up, last but not least, is the suction power. These things are so much more powerful than cordless vacuums from just a few years ago. The battery technology, thanks to guys like Elon Musk and the big brains around the nation, have improved battery technology. The watts on the motors and the vacuums themselves are so powerful, you're never gonna wanna plug your vacuum into the wall again. So the fact that you got cordless technology, just dock it up, and when you're ready to vacuum, it's ready to vacuum anywhere. You can take it out in the garage, do the porch, do your stairs, wherever you wanna go, these things are ready for you. So go ahead and order today. What won't you be?
You won't be disappointed.
You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.